So, I have here another flavor ng Dip and Bites. I think this is latte. Kasi dalawa yung in-order ko. Yung isa, caramel macchiato and latte. Magkapareho kasi sila ng color pero mukha naman siyang walang caramel. So, I think this one is latte. So, natikman ko na to actually. And I like it. Gusto ko yung lasa niya. Matitaste mo yung coffee. Pero hindi siya overpowering. Hindi siya strong. It's yummy. So, yan. Then, nagko-complement yung lasa nung white chocolate. Wait lang, isa pa. Yeah. I really like the taste ng coffee. So, ano siya. Kasi hindi siya matapang. I'm not into talaga coffee na cookies. Pero ito, iba ta. I really like it. Masarap siya.